Open a work image and sample image. Move the sample image in work image. Resize it and place in corner. Go to sample image and go to File, Export and click Save as Web. Change the color value as you want. I set 3 and color table. Right side corner click 3 lines and save the color table. And go to our image. Create a gradient map in top of the image. Open a swatches panel and import the color table. Click the gradient and change the colors. Right side is highlight and left side is shadow. Copy color from swatches and apply it and change the position as in the brightness value. And change blending mode as suit for the image. In this image, soft light is perfect. Create a curve adjustment layer in top of the gradient map. Sample the color tones in the sample image and apply in work image. Apply lighter tone in highlighted area and darker tone in shadow area. Adjust the opacity as you like.